Good morning, everybody. I hope you all are fine. Today, I am back with the second chapter of your science book, that is Components of Food. Now, what are components? Components of food include carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, and minerals. Whatever food we eat contains one or other of these components, and these components are also called as nutrients. So that means whatever food that we are eating, either it contains carbohydrates or proteins or fats or vitamins or minerals, and we will study about these components later on in this chapter. Now, the question arises, does all the food that we eat contain these nutrients? So with some simple methods, we can test whether cooked food contains these nutrients or not. So let us begin by testing different food items. We will start with carbohydrates. Now, there are many types of carbohydrates, but the main carbohydrate that is present in our food is in the form of starch and sugar. And we can easily test if a food item contains starch. So we will see what is the test for starch. Now what you have to do is you have to take a small quantity of food item and then you have to add 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution. Now, when you add the iodine solution, if the food becomes blue-black in color, it shows that the food item has got starch in it. So you can take a simple example like potato, which contains carbohydrates. Even rice contains carbohydrate, and if you take potato or rice and if you put 2 to 3 drops of iodine solution, you will see that it turns blue-black color. So what does it indicate? It indicates that it contains starch. Clear? Now we move on to the test for fat. Now the test for fat is very simple. What you have to do? You have to take any food item which contains fat. For example, you can take cashew nuts or ground nuts, and you have to wrap it. Take 2-3 pieces of ground nut or cashew nut and wrap it in a paper and crush it. Now you have to be careful that while crushing it, the paper should not tear. After crushing the groundnut or the cashew nut, what you have to do is you have to straighten the paper. Straighten the paper means paper को सीधा करना है. And then you have to take that paper and hold it in front of a bulb. What will you see? You will see an oily patch on that paper. So this oily patch on the paper indicates that groundnut or cashew nut contains fat in it. Clear? Now we move on to the next food item, that is proteins. Now which are the food items which contains proteins? You must be knowing that it is the dals or the pulses. Pulses contain protein. Now how can you test the proteins? What you have to do is you have to take a small quantity of food item which contains protein. Like you can take arhar dal, or you can take pulses like rajma, and what you have to do, you have to grind it or mash it. You grind it into powder. Then you have to put the food in a test tube and add some water. Now, have you seen a test tube, children? The test tube looks somewhat like this. It is made up of glass and it somewhat looks like this. So what you have to do, you have to take the food item and you have to put the food item in the test tube, and then you have to add some water in that test tube. Then in that test tube you have to put 2 drops of copper sulfate solution and 10 drops of caustic soda. Now what will happen? Since we had crushed dal, so the color will change into violet. So if we are taking any other food item which does not contain protein, it will not change into violet. And if any food item which is containing protein, you put all these materials, the color will change into violet. So what does this indicate? It indicates that dal contain proteins. So these are the various tests for starch, fats and proteins. So children, you have to learn all these 3 tests. Clear? Thank you.